Bharatanatyam Jathi Ditadimitajam Dadaritam Tadanatam Tadimitajam Dadaritam Tadanatam Tajanutam Kitadakataditadimitatatadanatam Tajaritajanute Tadimitakitadakataditadimitatatadanatam Tajaritajanute Tadimitakitadakatad.
Let's decode this beautiful fast Jathi and learn step by step. Are you ready?
Right leg back, left leg tap, up, down. And right side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then land back. Ulumandi sit. Turn around towards your left and keep one hand, right hand down. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, swing, land, then 1, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, land. Then this side, land. Then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then right leg tap, right, left, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, 1, 2, 3.
Now let's try and do it. Hare Krishna, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.